Morning to everyone. Today we are going to see exercise 2.6. Okay, so dear student, today is the last working day of April, isn't it? Next we will have the videos in the month of June. Okay, so after that, for the one and a half month you are having as a holiday. For that you have to do a vacation homework. Okay, so for that separately I will give you the question related to the chapter 1 and 2. You have to solve it in your max copy itself. So today we are first going to complete the last exercise of the chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable, so that our chapter will be completed. So here is the question: solve the equation. So here we have to solve this linear equation. So what is the equation we are having? That is 8x minus 3 upon 3x is equals to 2. So 8x minus 3, this 3 will be cross multiplied here. So it will become 2 into 3x. So here 8x minus 3 is equals to 6x. Okay, now 8x minus 6x is equals to 3. 3 is minus 3 is transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. Okay, so it will become plus 3. Now here it will become 2x is equals to 3. Now x is equals to 3 upon 2. Understood? If you want to, since in the question it is not set to check, यहाँ पर check करने नहीं बोला गया है, so we are not going to put x is equals to 3/2 in the equation and solve. है ना, चेक करने नहीं बोला है तो हम नहीं करेंगे. In the same way we are going to see the next question number 2. In the question number 2 again 9x, this will be get cross multiplied. So 15 into 7 minus 6x. Okay, so 9x is equals to 7 5s are 35, 7 8 9 10, so 105 minus 6 5s are here x 30, so 3 90. Okay, now 9x minus plus 90 is equals to 105. Now 9x plus 9x plus 90 will become how much? It will become 99x is equals to 105. Now dividing 99 and 99 is equals to 105, so x is equals to 105 upon 99. So it will be get cancelled by the table of 3. Okay, it will be get cancelled by the table of 3. So 105 upon 99 is equals to, we will get the answer as 3x is equals to 35 upon 33. Clear everyone? Next question we are having, that is z is equals to, so here both z will be cross multiplied with 9, so it become 9z. Okay, and 4 will cross multiplied with z plus 50. As this equation is there, it will be get cross multiplied. Everybody know how to get cross multiplied. Okay, so 9z is equals to 4z plus 2 0 20 4 5 6. Okay, here like this we will get the equation. So 9z minus 4z is equals to 60. Clear? So 5z is equals to 60. So z is equals to 60 divided by 5. So z value we will get as 12. Clear everyone? Have you understood up to here? Now next question we are having this. Here 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equals to minus 2 by 5. So this will be cross multiplied like this. Okay, so 5 into 3y plus 4 is equals to, here minus 2 will be multiplied with the denominator 2 minus 6y. Clear? Now 5 into 3y, it will become 15y plus 5 into 4 20 is equals to 2 into 2 will become, since minus is there, so minus 2 into 2 will become minus 4, minus minus plus 2 into 3 will become 12, sorry 2 into 6, not 2, 2 into 6 will become 12. Okay, now transposing the y term towards one side, 15y plus 12y is equals to minus 4 minus 20. Okay, so 5 6 7y it becomes, and here it will be, here this dear student, here it is a 12y, isn't it? So here it will become minus 12y. Okay, so again I will write the question, that is 15y minus 12y is equals to minus 4 minus 20. So plus 15y minus 12y will become how much? That will be 3y is equals to minus minus will become plus, so it will become minus 24. So y is equals to minus 24 upon 3. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 8s is 3 8s is 24. So the value of y we will get as minus 8. What is the value of y we will get? That is minus 8. Clear? Now fifth question, again it is asked to solve. So directly we will cross multiply the number. 7y plus 4 is equals to minus 4 into y plus 2. Okay, so 7 into 3 will be 21 y plus 12 is equals to minus 4y minus 8. Okay, now minus after that transposing all the y terms towards one side. So 21y plus 4y is equals to minus 8 minus 12. Okay, so 21 plus 4 will become how much? It will become 25. Minus and minus will become plus. So minus 8 minus 12 will become minus 20. So y is equals to minus 20 upon 25. So it will be get cancelled by the table of 5. Minus 4 upon 5 will be the required answer. Clear? In the same way, for question number 6 we are having the age of Harry and Hari are in the ratio 5:7. Okay, 4 years from now the ratio of their age will be 3:4. Find the present age. So dear student, as we did, let the Hari's age and be 5x and Harry age will be 7x. That means Hari age we will consider as 5x and Harry age we will consider as 7x. Clear? Then 4 years from now the ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Ratio of their ages 4 years from now. What is their right now? Their age is, अभी एट प्रेजेंट उनका एज क्या था? 5x. सो उसमें 4 years from now तो 4 उसमें ऐड होगा, will be equals to the ratio 3:4. so that we will get an equation like this. ऐसा equation मिलेगा. Now solving this equation we will cross multiply. 4 will multiply with 5x plus 4 and 3 will be multiplied with 7x plus 4. Clear everyone? Now 4 will multiply with 5x, it will become 20x plus 4 into 4 will become 16 is equals to 3 into 7x will be 21x plus 3 into 4 will be 12. Up to here clear everyone? Now transposing the x term towards one side we will get 20x minus 21x is equals to 12 minus 16. Okay, so here it will be minus x, here it will be minus 4. So minus minus will get cancelled, so x is equals to 4. So what is the value of x we are getting? The x is equals to we get as 4. Now what is Hari age is? Hari age is 5x. So here 5 into 4 it will be 20. What is the age of Hari? That is 20 years. And what is the age of Harry? Harry age is 7x. So 7 into 4 will be 28 years. Clear everyone? So in this way Hari's age, present age will be 20 years and Harry's age will be 28 years. Clear? Now after this, the 7th question, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator. If the denominator is decreases by 17, the denominator is increases by 1. The number obtained is 3/2. Find the rational number. Okay, so here we have to find a rational number. So let the numerator be x and the denominator it is said that increases by 8. So if the numerator will be What is a rational number? That is, rational number is p by q, r by q, s by q, any alphabet which is in the form of a by b, p by q, like that, where p and q is an integers, okay, and the denominators never be equals to 0. That kind of a number is said to be as a rational number. Since in the question it is said that if x is the numerator and x plus 8 is the denominator, then okay, and after this it is said in the question 17 is added to the numerator, increases by 17, and denominator decreases by 1. So here numerator is increases by 17, so here 17 will be added, denominator decreases by 1, so 1 will be subtracted from the denominator. Clear? When 1 will be subtracted from the denominator and 17 is added to the numerator, a new equation we will get, that is x plus 17 upon x plus 7 is equals to 3 by 2. Clear? The number becomes 3 by 2. Now cross multiplying the term, it will become 2 into x plus 17 is equals to 3 into x plus 7. Clear? So 2x plus 14, 1, 2, 3, 34 is equals to 3x plus 3 7s are 21. Now transposing the x term towards one side and the constant term towards the other side, we will get an equation as 2x minus 3x is equals to 21 minus 34. Now here it will become minus x, 21 minus 34, 34 will become minus 30. The negative numbers from both the side will be cancelled, the answer will be 13. So here we got a answer x is equals to 13 as the numerator. This is the numerator, isn't it? But the denominator is x plus 8. So 13 plus 8 will be how much? Will be equals to 21. So the denominator is 21. So denominator upon numerator is equals to, that is 13 upon numerator upon denominator is equals to 13 upon 21 is the required answer for this question. So dear student, we had completed chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. Hope you people understood the question. If any doubt is there, please ask me through the WhatsApp number. And one more thing about your summer vacation homework, total 15 to 20 questions I will give you from both the chapter number 1 rational number and chapter number 2 linear equation in one variable. That questions you have to solve it in your max copy itself and keep with you. I will ask when it is needed to be corrected. Okay, so for today, thank you everyone.